So guys, this is a review video of the Fosi Audio IEM, the IM4 open back. Amazing IEM, I have to tell you. I give this 6.3, between 6 and 6.5 on my rating out of 10. Now that is technical rating. There are two types of ratings. There is a technical and there is a musical element to it. So there is no rating for musical, it's just musical, right? When you put an IEM in your ear and you just don't want to stop the song, you just want to listen to the whole album and enjoy the whole album like never before, and you just want to say no, let it go on. That is the IEM which is musical. It may not be technically perfect, right? It may not be clinical. This is the score which I have told you, 6.3 out of 10. That is clinical score. So how the frequencies are, how much frequencies are of each different level. Just forget about it, you don't need to see that. It's musical. And I have a bunch of IEMs which are musical IEMs where you don't need to go into the technical details of them. Just put them and you just want to listen to music. And this is one of them. I'm so happy to have these, and I'm so sad to keep these because now I have to use other IEMs because I have so many IEMs. I have to use them I have to go back to the other IEMs because otherwise they will never be used. So this will come back to me about in a month's time now. So I have to sadly keep them away. I didn't want to keep them away, right? So the tips which I used are the balance tips, and they surprised me. Imaging, soundstage, fantastic. With this open back, you don't feel like you're listening to an IEM. You will feel like you're listening to a high-end headphone, open back headphone. That is how beautiful the sound comes out of these. And it is really, really nice. Musical, not clinical. Clinical, it's 6.3 out of 10. Now there is one more IEM which I want to show you, which is slightly better than this. When you see the clinical score, this is like 6.5 out of 10. This is the 7 Hz Allure Ultra. This is its box. So if you are interested, and this is quite cheap. This is almost half or less than half the price of these, and technically better than these, but these are more musical. These are not musical, okay? These are having two DDs, two dynamic drivers. This is having single dynamic driver. No fancy planars or microplanars or ESTs or bone conductors or balanced armatures or whatever. Just one DD, one dynamic driver. That's it. Very clean sound, very nice sound. You'll enjoy the sound coming out of these. Beautiful sound. This is also nice if you see individually. If you see comparatively, this is very, very musical. Okay, I have got few IEMs which are musical, and I tried to tune these with using squigglings, making my own graph and all that, but doesn't need at all. This is very beautifully tuned out of the box. What that means is you are not stuck to a computer or your phone with Wavelet, the Wavelet app on your phone, or on the PC you have other apps which you load the squiggling graph on it, the equalizer on it, and then you listen to your tuning. Doesn't require that. This one doesn't require any kind of tuning. That is so good because you can just carry these when you're traveling, and you can just plug into any device and you will get the same sound. The sound cannot change because there is no tuning required. Perfect. Again, there are no fancy switches on it or anything to tune it or anything. No, very simple, straightforward. Perfect sound. If you get a chance to hear these, please do it. These are really very nice and addictive. These are very addictive sounding. And I have some really good IEMs also. And these are one of those. Now, what else can I say about these? The only thing they could have done here is given modular connectors, so we can have a 4.4 mm balanced or a 2.5 mm balanced, connector. But that can be replaced. The wire can be replaced. You can buy an alternate wire for this and do it. They could have given it in the box if they're giving so many tips with it. That's the only thing. And another thing is the case. Again, I want to say that the case is too thick. It's not practical. It's too thick. I know they wanted to fit all of this inside the case, but you don't carry all this with you when you go out. You don't need all this. You just need the IEM. That's it. And this could have been half the width of this. So then it could have been more practical, more pocketable in your jeans pocket or in your shirt pocket. That's the only thing I feel they could change. Otherwise, fantastic IEM. You should go for this if you have the budget. If you don't have the budget, this is other alternative. And these are not bad. These are not bad. But after listening to these, obviously, I mean, these you can't remove from your ear once you start listening to it. Very addictive, very nice, very beautiful. And guys, this was the review of the Fosi Audio IEM. If you like this video, hit the like button. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel. I need more subscribers. If you can, share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe to this channel. I would be so happy and grateful to you. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more such videos. I'll come back with my honest opinions and reviews. See you soon. Bye.